Tree. Yeah, that is it. From Monday and Friday, at the end of this month, we have slushy. Buy one, get one. Don't know 350 at the cost. Yeah.
So this is the special we are going right now?
Yeah, that is special. That's all of the deal.
Oh, then find a place here.
Let's come downtown, King Street. And we have a next one up there. And we have one in half a tree.
You don't know the song, you can grab it. Copy of the next media.
Alright people, so this is the bus stop, you see it? As in the can still go on. Today is a very hot day. Yeah, then we grab you and rub with it, huh? You see, make sure you listen. Alright, respect. Yeah. Yeah, man, big up. Yeah. Next meter. Yeah. Lord, everyone gonna know somebody. I can't believe that everyone gonna know somebody. Nobody can't do me nothing, you know. Everyone gonna know somebody. Nah, vlog. Big up yourself, man. I see it. Yeah, up. Let's up in the general. The people downtown today, you know, man. I see it. People, so I see what I go on. I don't know, so you get the cheap stuff them, you know, you see it? In place you get the cheap stuff them. Open them, J. No, man, you're not in there. That's a vlog, you see? That's a vlog, my boss. You're not in there? Yeah. Sorry. I'll go on. Hey, please, so small. Oh, yeah, that one. Oh, alright. Alright, so I'm not gonna move no further up on the street here. See it, people? What I think I'm gonna do? I go back up the road. Alright, I go walk the street here a little bit. And see what the panda lane here. See it? Alright people, so we're at Circle K now as you see what's going on, you see it? So you see it, there are a lot of good things downtown, you know? So I make nobody fool you and tell you say downtown is nice. Downtown alright, you see it? You can come to Circle K and get on tea, cappuccino, coffee, everything. You see it? 5 piece of wings, hot dog, alright. Everything.
We have slush, Hershey's, everything. Yeah, big up on yourself when you come to Circle K, you know the deal already. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that is it. From Monday and Friday, at the end of this month, we have slushy. Buy one, get one. Don't know $3.50 at the cost. Yeah.
So this is the special we are going right now.
Yeah, that is special. That's all of the deal.
Oh, then find a place here.
Let's come downtown, King Street. And we have a next one up there. And we have one in halfway tree.
And this is a scan.
Yeah, and that is a scan me right there. Scan me, I will get all of the deal. Let me scan this round here, I get all of the deal. Yeah, I don't know.
Alright. Yeah man, I first me never know about that place here. I walk and I just say yeah. Then when I'm fully or something, you see? But my boss, let's catch you when you're Philly. That's Philly, I mean, see what's going on.
You can't get people's ring, you know.
Yeah man. Alright, yeah man, up and running. Yeah.
There's anything there?
Next meter. If I ain't it?
DDXT.
Yeah. Everything name. Smoky.
AZ, you know, you see it. So hook with a party, them you think about shell it.
It's a Smoky.
Yeah man, so that is Smoky
Yeah.
underscore. So that's DJ underscore, that's Smoky.
Yeah.
And AZ, you know, on Instagram, you see me?
Alright. Yeah man. Alright, bless up. Alright people. So you know so we never check out the place here, is it? Because from you see me I recommend it. You know it's a good place, is it? They sell everything, every shakes, every juice and thing, is it? Yeah. And next me there. Him have you can show you too.
Yeah, you started. You started. Started.
Yeah, we starting man.
Start now.
Yeah, start now. You know want to say something? You know want to do something? Oh, you want to see what I do? But that's I saw me do my thing, me showcase the place. My thing natural, is it? Yeah. Or advertise people business. Yeah, that me though.